How to verify Badoo account. Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So today I'll be teaching you something very intriguing. I'll be teaching you how to verify Badoo account, and I'm sure you don't want to miss this video if you don't know how to do this. So if you don't know how to do this, I'll show you what this video till the end. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Badoo app on your mobile phone. Once you ensure that it's been launched on your mobile phone, at the top left corner of the screen, the first thing you're going to see is chat. So here, whoever you've chatted with, or whatever chat you have on Badoo app will be displayed right on your screen. And at the top right corner of your screen, you see the timer icon with the notification icon. So whatever notification you have on Badoo will appear under the notification icon. Also at the lower part of the screen, you see the chat icon, you see the location icon, you see the likes icon, you see the accounts icon with the profile icon. So basically, Badoo app is just an app for online dating. So if you want to date online, you can use Badoo app to search for who you like online to start an online relationship. So if you want to verify Badoo account, you take a look at the lower part of your screen again where we have those icons, and you click on the profile icon, which is the last and fifth icon on the row. So once you click on the profile icon, you wait for the page to load, and at the top right corner of your screen, the first thing you're going to see on the profile page is the round circle, which is meant to show your profile picture. And also you see your name, that's your username or profile on Badoo app. You also see your age. So at the lower part too, you see the option to add photos if you want to. At the top right corner of the screen, you see the settings icon with the profile icon. You click on settings. Once you click on settings, the settings page will be displayed on your screen where we have basic info, we have account preferences. So you're going to click on Help Center. Help Center is the option just after account preferences. You click on Help Center, and then you have to be patient because you'll be redirected to a virtual agent of Badoo. So now we have popular things that people search for under Help Center, and since you want to verify your Badoo account, all you need to do is to go through the list. So you see the option profile verification. So once you see the option profile verification, you click on profile verification, and further questions will be asked on how you want to verify your Badoo account. If you want to get verified status, if you want to amend your verification method, if you want to know why your verification further was rejected, you can just go through the question and you pick the one that best suits the question that you asked under the Help Center. Once you've made your choice, click on it, and appropriate information or answer or solution or instructions will be displayed on your screen. Ensure you read these instructions thoroughly and carefully. Then follow these instructions to be able to successfully verify your Badoo account. So it's very simple, okay? You can try it out too. So this is simply how to verify Badoo account. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you. Yeah.